What's up everybody? Welcome to lesson 2. Today we'll explore the importance of HTML and how it affects the structure of a website. Today's terms for this lesson are hypertext, hyperlinks, markup, and syntax. So, what's HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the set of symbols or codes inserted into files intended for viewing on the internet. HTML creates the structure of a website, but it's not the only thing that goes into a website. Hypertext is text containing a link that can take you to another place on the internet with similar content. An example of hypertext would be the little blue words on Wikipedia. They contain links, and if you click on one, they'll take you to another page, often on Wikipedia or elsewhere on the web. Hypertext allows us to hyperlink to a different page. Now that you understand hypertext and hyperlinks, what's markup? When we talk about the structure of a coding language, we're referring to its syntax. Markup in HTML refers to the symbols and tags that tell the computer what's what and what to do in accordance with HTML's syntax. Let's think of it in another way. Have you ever had an assignment graded or received a paper of yours back with marks and symbols that seem like they don't make much sense? Well, there's a reason behind those random symbols. Editors use symbols to mark up the content within each sentence, and when the author sees these symbols, they know how to correct the syntax needed to properly display the sentence structure. The author can use these symbols without necessarily having to talk directly to the editor and understand exactly what instruction the editor is giving. The syntax is improved because of the markup language. Just like a line from a paper, a line of code can be improved with markup. Web developers use symbols called HTML tags in their code to mark up the content on their web page. It then translates to the web browser the correct syntax needed to properly render the web page for the user. Wiki created something called the Wiki game that can help us understand this. You start at one location in Wikipedia and challenge yourself to get to the next under a certain amount of time using the hyperlinks. Let's play the Wiki game. Understanding the importance of hyperlinks and how to use them will make navigating the web quick and easy. Now, let's look at an HTML boilerplate. Inside the boilerplate is all the text and image content that will be displayed on your site. You have a title, which will be the name of your site, header, and your body, which is where most of the content will go. An example of something found inside the body of an HTML document is a paragraph. When the web browser sees the markup tag P, it knows to display whatever's inside of the paragraph tags on the page. Thanks for following along. Today we learned about hypertext markup language and its role in web development. In our next video, we'll go over the importance of knowing how to fish for information.